All right, Scott is gonna attempt the cinnamon challenge. And you can't swallow anything else. Here's the rules. You can't swallow anything else. You just take the full teaspoon of cinnamon.
Dude,
you gotta fill it up all the way right.
It's pretty high, man.
You gotta do it right. Hold on.
Honey, if you could use like a measuring teaspoon, that would be more than.
Okay, I'm just saying. All right. Now, Scott. All right, yeah. No water. You have to chew the whole thing and swallow it. No water, no beer, nothing.
Right?
Right. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. I have a feeling I'm in for some pain.
Oh yeah. What are you doing?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon challenge fail.
It smells so nice here, though.
It's all cinnamony.
No, it smells like someone's baking. Oh, you're having your uncle.
I got cinnamon.
Oh my God.
You want to do it again?
Scott described how that felt. Just ruined cinnamon for him forever. He's never going to be tempted by cinnamon at the airport ever again.
I think I'm crying a little bit.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm very unhappy.
Wow. The problem, it's not that the cinnamon hurts.
Uh-huh.
It's that it fills your whole mouth up.
It expands.
And it sucks.
Like expand or
It
something?
sucks up every.
I can't. Any bar drinks in it?
Oh.
No.
Drink more water.
Oh my God.